I identify one more stock that I want to buy. Now I feel it's a very, very oversold in the oil and gas sector.
Really?
Even though if we have a downturn, it will always rebound at some point. Oil and gas will still, maybe unfortunately, maybe fortunately, I don't know. I'm not going into that debate, but I think oil and gas will still be a huge part of our economy for many years to come.
Maybe, maybe not.
And even if we have a recession brewing, let's say in 2024 or 25, then our stocks will be hit significantly. But we have that risk management, so we will be stopped out before we lose too much capital. And we are just swing traders. So hopefully, since the patterns are at oversold territory at the moment, then we will catch the take profit target before any huge recession occurs, or if there ever will be a recession the next couple of years. I don't know.
Just speak to me in plain English.
But we are now in the red as of for these 5 positions with $6. So the portfolio value now as per Wednesday, 24th of January is $5,008. So the stock I'm talking about is Eni. So that's an oil and gas company based in Italy. It's the same rationale here as for all those other oil and gas companies. I believe it's oversold on the RSI. It has caught some positive momentum. This level here seems to be a significant support or resistance level. So as you can see in the past, I'm drawing the line again, guys. So this level right here, you can see that it has bounced off this level multiple times in the past. So going back to even to 2020, March, April, and June, acted as very significant. Sorry, guys.
You had my curiosity, but now you have my attention.
Very significant resistance level. Also in November, January 23, and more recently in October last year, acted as a support level actually. Now it seems to be trending around this level as well. The only little bit bad thing, if I can say that, is that it has broken down below the 200 EMA. So that is not exactly good to see, but you can see in the past as well, it hasn't always honored that level. It has bounced back and gone above again that 200 EMA. So these EMAs, exponential moving averages, 20, 50, 100 and 200. So the blue is 20 EMA, 50 is the green, 100 is the orange, and 200 EMA is the red one. So all these levels, they act as a kind of like a rubber band, I would say. So when the stock prices get very detached to those levels, at some point gravity will take control and just snap the price back to one of those EMAs. That's always happened in the past, and it will always happen in the future. So now we see it, even if it bounces below here and goes further down, at some point it will reverse. So the reason why I'm trading this stock is because you can see we had a reversal pattern here. So on Tuesday, it had a positive day. So it closed at 14.358. Ideally, of course, we would like to have a green candle, meaning that the closing price is higher than the open price. It means we have a positive price momentum throughout the day. In this case, that didn't happen yesterday, but still it closed on a positive return. So the positive return was 0.13% for yesterday. And one of the criteria we're looking for is that if today's open is higher than yesterday's close and we meet many other criteria, then it is a buying indication. So you can see yesterday's close was 14.358. It opened today at 14.360. That's marginally higher, and that is good enough for this trade. So I will enter one position now at $80. And one more thing is that I also look at,
I'm just gonna search for that stock here.
I just found it now. I'm back in eToro. The analyst consensus is a strong buy.
Nice.
The price target is 17.56. See if I can catch that here. So 17.56. And then I change this to yellow. So that's the target. So we have a huge potential upside. This might not occur in a straight line, but at least 20% upside. And I feel it's a limited downside because we are oversold. So at least on the shorter time frames, we can expect hopefully a reversal, and then we can take profit at a 2-to-1 ratio at least. Something that's also positive. Strong buy, 17.56. Going now to Morningstar, I have found the stock here. And it's also nice to see that on the financials, it is a very stable company that generates a lot of positive cash flows. So you can see that the revenue here, that's the blue bars, steadily growing. Net income is also growing. 2020 was a challenging year because of COVID. So this is an abnormal year for sure. So, but still growing revenue and net income, that's good. Previous balance sheet, very strong. A lot of assets and zero debt. Everything is fueled with cash flows that they bring in and existing balance sheets. So that's very, very strong. Also on the cash flow side, they are generating positive cash flows from the operating activities. That's very important. They have some investing activities and also financial activities that brings down the cash flows, but that's can be acquisitions and buying up new oil fields or those kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and enter this trade. So now we enter that trade.
Oh my God!
Wow. Open at 14.406. Let's see how that goes. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Also follow me on Twitter, where I post all my trades. Yeah, that's it. Catch you on the next one.